Okay, dear students, today we are going to learn about human heart. Now, whenever you hear the word human heart, you might have drawn like this, I think. Yes or no?
Yes.
Most of the time. But human heart is actually totally different than this. Here we can see the structure of our heart. So, you might know how many chambers we have in our heart.
4.
What are they? So what do you mean by chamber actually? It is a room. Okay, in our human heart we have 4 rooms. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let me change the color. 1, 2, 3, 4. So human heart has 4 chambers. Now what is the function of this chamber? Okay, once again you tell me how many chambers do human hearts have?
4.
Upper part is called? Lower part is called? Again, upper and lower is divided into 2 parts, right and left. Upper part, right side we call? Upper part, left side we call? Lower part, right side we call? Lower part, left side we call? Left ventricle. Now, we shall study about the function of these chambers. Now we know for the production of our energy we use oxygen. Oxygen is being used by our body cells, and once oxygen is over, the deoxygenated blood comes to our heart. So the deoxygenated impure blood enters our heart in right atrium. Now this right atrium has not that much function. Okay, it just receives the blood, impure deoxygenated blood. It will receive from the heart and just send to ventricle. This right atrium has no powerful function. It will just receive the blood coming from the heart and then send to right atrium, send to understood? Deoxygenated blood will enter our heart through right atrium. From right atrium, it has no such function. It will just receive the blood and send to right ventricle. Now right ventricle will pump the deoxygenated blood to lungs. Why? Because the blood that is coming from our body is deoxygenated blood. But for the production of energy we need what? Oxygenated blood. This blood contains carbon dioxide, and we know the exchange of gases between carbon dioxide and oxygen take place in lungs, where? Alveoli. Clear? From here exchange of gases take place and this deoxygenated blood becomes oxygenated. Again it comes back to which chamber? Now I already told this upper part, right atrium and left atrium. It has only function of receiving blood. It will receive blood and send to ventricle. This oxygenated blood will be received by left atrium and it's sent to left ventricle. Now left ventricle, what it does? Left ventricle will pump the blood with force, slowly or with force. Why? Because those blood has to reach all the parts of our body. So that's why left ventricle will pump the blood with force through aorta, and through aorta blood goes to all parts of our. Clear?